So we're going to start off by taking out the headlight. If you want a better video of how to take out the headlight, press the little icon up here. That will take you to a better video of me taking out the headlight. So here are the new lights that we're going to be putting in. They're LEDs, so the indicator's LED, and these round bits LED. The only bulbs you need are for your low and high beam, and they already come pre-installed with those in there, so you literally need to buy no bulbs if you are getting these. They come pre-supplied, so all you have to do is just literally throw it in and they'll work. So we're just going to put this back in how it came. On the back you'll see it's got a connector here. You just plug this into your original light harness connector, just like that. That's connected now, as you can probably see. You just want to push your light back in. Once you're happy with how it's sitting, you want to replace the two T30 screws. Once you've screwed them back in, you're done. So you can close your hood. Now I'll give the car a start so you can see what they look like. So as I started the car, you probably heard that weird noise. For some reason that comes from the light. They both do it. Like, I tested that side first. When I did that side, it made the same noise. I put this one in, it made the same noise. But after it does it the first time, it doesn't do it again. So I think it's just like adjusting or something like that. Although I do not have the, what's it called, the eyebrows on it yet. So I'm going to put the eyebrows on, and I'm going to change these disgusting yellowy looking lights to white, or to like white LEDs, because I do not like that main bulb being that color. So eyebrows and LEDs in the next video, so stay tuned for that. I got the ones with the sequential indicators because obviously I wanted sequential in the front, on the side mirrors here, and on the tail lights. So now I've got all three of those sequential. I think it gives the car more of an aggressive look. I wish I could make this darker so that you could just see the U lights and stuff. But I'm doing another video on this anyway, so I'll show you guys in that video. But yeah, this is what it looks like. If you guys did like this video, like, subscribe, do all that stuff. And until next time, peace.